Hey guys, I'm just making this quick video to show you a new tool on Premiere Pro that can be really useful, and it's going to make your life a lot easier if you need to change the length of an audio file. So previously, if you wanted to extend or shorten the length of an audio clip, you needed to do that through Audition and follow a bunch of steps. You might have seen Steve's video explaining how to do this, and this of course still works, but now we have this new tool on Premiere Pro, so you don't have to leave the software, and it's called Remix Tool. To use it, you just need to click and hold on the third tool in the toolbar to access the other options, and you will see this new tool that looks like this, and this is the Remix tool. And it is really simple to use. You basically just click on the end of a track and drag it to whatever time frame you want, and then give it a second to process, and it's literally done. And if you zoom back and you look at the track, you can see the exact place that it found to loop the audio seamlessly. And if you play it, you'll see that you really can't tell, unless of course you double the length of the original track, and then yeah, maybe you'll notice that it loops a lot. But if it's just a few seconds and if the audio is just slightly too short for your video, then this is really great. And of course it does work the other way around. So if you wanted to shorten the track but you don't just want to cut it and fade out because, for example, you want to keep the ending, then just drag the end of the track to the left and you will find parts to cut out and blend together. And this is pretty much all you need to know about the new Remix tool.